Fáilte Kitchi, let's learn Irish. Is me se arge agus tapach na seachtain inniu, Níu Pádraig, St. Patrick. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Annual, Bliantúil, bank holiday, saoire bainc, a big crowd, Slua mór, celebration, Ceiliúradh, Christianity, an Chríostaíocht, the culture of Ireland, Cultúr na hÉireann, a day off school, saoire an scoil, events, Imeachtaí, the flag of Ireland, Bratach na hÉireann, jig, Rince, legend, Finscéal, a long journey, Aistir, marching, mairseáil, marching band, Banna máirseála, tourists, Turasóirí, the people of Ireland, Muintir na hÉireann, prayers, paidreacha, Shamrock, Shamróg, shepherd, Aoire, slave, Sclábhaí, snake, Nathair, snakes, Nathair. He was sold. Dílué. He was kidnapped one day. Láháin, go away. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bannachtaí na Pádraig. He was a very devout boy. Gasarínta crafach a bhían. I will be wearing green clothes. Be 80 glasa a gaihu agam. One of the biggest festivals in the world. Ceann na féilte is mó ar domhain. I will go to the St. Patrick's Day Parade. Rahimé go dtí Paráid na Pádraig. It's believed that St. Patrick was born in Wales. Creidtear gur sa bhreatain rugú Naomh Pádraig. Bígí páirte a harde. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.